Hey guys, it's AdrianUnknown. Today I'm at an undisclosed location at the river, the Rio Grande somewhere. You can see, that's all you're gonna see. Anyway, I've got my new boat here. It's an Advanced Anglers 120. It's floating in about less than 4 inches of water. Look, seriously, this thing is awesome. Anyway, between where I am now and the river that's over there, it's about 75 yards. And right at the edge of the river, I would expect there to be some big ass catfish. So the idea is I'm gonna get into my kayak here and I'm gonna go about midway. I'm gonna anchor and then I'm gonna throw some chicken liver out into the river over there. Not into the river directly, but right on the edge. Let's see what happens, guys. Again, this is the Advanced Anglers 120. It's my first real fishing kayak per se. So far so good, I like it. Very, very cool. It's got a lot of cool stuff on it. Just gotta get my paddle holder here. Take the paddle holder off. And then what you do here is you have a loop, right? Well, take the paddle, cut it in half, disassemble it, and then you get your loop and then you go in like this, okay? Make you another loop and stick it on there. Now assemble the kayak paddle together, and no matter what, you can't lose your paddle from your boat, you know what I mean? Freaking cool. All right, so let's get this party started. Let's get it out a little bit deeper just in case. Put my paddle over here on this other side. Shake off any mud from my foot. I don't want a muddy boat. Okay. And this is a stand-up kayak too. I'll show you. Still a little too shallow, so I'm gonna walk a little bit more. Here we should be okay. Oh, gotta be careful. Yeah, we're good here. Awesome. And look, guys, I'm floating and I can see the ground easily. Let's get over there. Again, I'm not gonna get into the river. Just want to get close enough. I know there should be catfish right in here. Let's see how deep it is. It's about a foot. This would be a really good spot to launch from. You can see the raging river there in front of me. I don't want to get all the way over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop anchor right here. Check it out. So I have a modified kayak anchor, and I'll explain my modification here in a bit. The way it is it's basically a 3-pound one that you can buy anywhere at Walmart and stuff. But what I did is I welded this piece of steel to it. The reason why is because if this ever digs into branches or whatever under the water, this is usually how it pulls, right? But if you put the kayak right over it, you can wiggle the chain like this, okay? And if you get it to the other end, this is what happens. So now you can pull it out of the branches or whatever, you know what I mean? It's actually a pretty ingenious idea. There it is, guys. So again, I'm gonna throw my anchor out. I don't need too much. And I'm just gonna tie it to the side here. And then we're gonna fish that way. My kayak paddle goes off to the side right here, like so. And then we've got not one but two Muddy River catfishing rods. We're gonna be tossing out right there and see what happens. Today we're gonna be using, put that there for now. I don't need it. I have chicken liver. So open it up. There it is. Gross. What is that green thing? Well, that's interesting. Looks like nastiness. We'll give that one to the raccoons. Okay. Anyway, so my boat is spinning right now. I don't like that shit, so we're going to go the other way. Bear with me, guys. What I can actually do is pull my anchor up. Now I'm gonna position myself here on the side, like so. That way I can fish this entire spot that I'm in. I don't want to get out because then I'll get all muddy. But you get the idea. Cool. So now that I'm here, I throw my paddle out. That should be okay. All right, let's throw out that way, guys. Hold on. Shenanigans. Like a grappling hook. Awesome. Okay, that's what I wanted. Now I'm gonna put this up, hang that up to the side, like so. And then I'm gonna tie this off over here. I have an anchor dolly, but I don't need it at the moment. So I'm gonna just put this right here. Literally just make a loop, make another loop. And now I'm not going anywhere. I've got my grappling hook over there holding me, and I've got all this perfect for fishing. 8 minutes and 59 seconds. Okay, well,